Russians have claimed that they can predict when UFOs will appear and that they can even willingly summon them. They claim that UFO activity is increased when large-scale weapons testing is taking place and have been measuring UFO activity by doing so. According to Vasily Yermomenko, a Major General of FIB in Reserve, academician of the Academy of Security, Defense, and Law Enforcement. We can say that we learned to summon UFOs in Vladimirovka. To do this, we dramatically increased the number of military flights and movement of the equipment. If the intensity on our side increased, UFOs appeared with the probability of 100%. The Russians have come to three main conclusions. Modern science is not yet able to identify such phenomena. The UFOs could be US or Japan surveillance drones. The UFOs could be extraterrestrial activity. According to Svobodnaya Pressa, a news website, the Russian Navy have now declassified records of encounters with unidentified objects that technologically surpass anything ever built by humanity. A special Navy group headed by Deputy Navy Commander Admiral Nikolai Smirnov collected information on reports of unidentified objects, delivered by submarines and military ships. According to Vladimir Azazov, a UFO researcher and former Navy officer, 50% of UFO encounters are connected with oceans. 15 more with lakes. So UFOs tend to stick to the water. According to one report, a nuclear submarine on a combat mission detected 6 unknown objects pursuing them. After failing to lose the objects, the captain ordered the submarine to surface. The objects followed, departed from the water and flew away at high speed. In 1982, a group of military divers training at Baikal saw a group of humanoid beings dressed in silvery suits. Despite the divers trying to catch them, 3 of them died whilst the other 4 were injured. According to Captain First Rank Igor Barclay of Navy Intelligence, ocean UFOs often show up wherever our NATO's fleets concentrate. Near Bahamas, Bermudas, Puerto Rico. They are most often seen in the deepest part of the Atlantic Ocean, in the southern part of the Bermuda Triangle, and also in the Caribbean Sea.